This is the comparison between three best-selling IEMs under the budget of $1,000 or $15. I am today comparing the CCA CRA GK Kunten and KZ EDC Pro. Let's go ahead and check the build quality and what all you get in the box, how are the ear tips, what are the sound stage and how the mic sound, each one of them, and also which one is right for you. As always, quick disclaimer, sound is a subjective topic and it's different from person to person, and my observation may not be the same as you. If this video helps you a tiny bit, consider subscribing and hitting that thumbs up. As always, this is not sponsored video and I have no affiliation to any of these brands, and I got these for my money and I'm doing this review. So in terms of unboxing, there is not much to do here because they come in this economy package, all three of them similar. So with CCA CRA and GK Kunten you get 3 pairs of regular ear tips like this one. But for EDC Pro, they don't even bother giving you the larger size and smaller size ones. You'll only get 1 pair of ear tips. And the version I have here is the mic version. Coming to the build quality, we'll talk about them one by one. First, we'll talk about the CCA and GK Kunten. Both of them have the semi-transparent or translucent inner casing that is made of plastic, and they have zinc coated back plates. So they do look quite nice. KZ EDC Pro has again plastic translucent inner cover and has a resin based outer cover that has its branding. In terms of size, if you look at the packaging and the way they look, they all do feel same. The size and the wires, they all look quite same. There is not big difference here in this price point. They all are quite decent and they are slightly better than your consumer grade earphones that you buy under 2000 rupees. Overall, in terms of build quality, you won't be disappointed, but if you wear them for long hours, more than 3 hours, you will definitely feel ear fatigue because they are not small. So now coming to the fit, again same story here. Unfortunately, there is no left and right markings on any of them, and when you wear them they all look same. It looks like this. Now I'll try other two. This is the KZ EDC Pro. Again similar fit, similar shape. Again, if I go to CCA CRA, again same fit and it's a same shape. Now coming to the sound quality, first we will talk about the GK Kunten. If you like a balanced sound, this will please you because it has a mid V shaped balanced curve, and it has a bass which is tight and controlled, and treble which is clean, and the vocals are clean as well. So this is a balanced option. If you are a bass head, don't buy these because you will not be happy. The bass is on lower side. Next, coming to the KZ EDC Pro. So KZ EDC Pro have been there in the market for a while, and they have a very pronounced V-shaped curve, and it has a punchy bass with strong sub bass, and it has a bright and energetic treble, and they work really well with when you're gaming. But there is a slight fall off in terms of treble. I think that can be ignored if you are looking for that punchy bass and strong sub bass. Now coming to the CCA CRA, I wasn't expecting much when I ordered these, but these have a very aggressive V-shaped tuning and it has a deep thumping bass. But due to the recessed mid-range, the vocal suffers a bit. Again, they have very bright treble signature as well, and that may not be for everyone. These work without DAC, but with DAC they perform better. So if you are buying a budget IEM, it's always preferred to own a DAC as well. So currently I'm speaking on GK Kunten, and this is how the mic sounds. So currently I'm wearing the CCA CRA, and this is how the mic sounds. Currently I am wearing the KZ EDC Pro, and this is how the mic sounds. which one of these should you buy? If you are into pop, acoustic, and vocals, definitely I would suggest GK Kunten will satisfy your need. If you are into gaming and mainly looking for a bass, then KZ EDC Pro will be a good choice. If you want even more bass and you like hip hop songs and EDMs and more bass heavy type of genre, then CCA CRA will work better. They do excel in those kind of genres. In conclusion, all these three IEMs offer really good value for the price, and you won't be disappointed if you pick one of these. But if you already own a costlier IEMs, don't buy these as your second IEM, because you won't be getting anything special that you already have. So don't waste your money again adding another IEM to your list. Unless you want to make me rich, you can buy through the affiliate link. And let me know if you have any questions in the comment below. And thanks for staying and watching till now. Hope to see you in the next one. Cheers.